To transfer to a Wealthfront portfolio, start by opening a Wealthfront account if you have not already done so. This involves providing basic personal and financial information and setting up your account profile. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Portfolio section where you can initiate the transfer process. Wealthfront supports transfers from a variety of account types, including brokerage accounts, IRAs, and 401 kiloseconds. Determine which type of account you want to transfer and gather the necessary information, such as the account number and routing information. Next, decide which type of portfolio you want to transfer into, such as a taxable brokerage account or a tax-advantaged retirement account. Wealthfront offers a range of portfolio options, including diversified stock and bond portfolios, as well as more specialized options like socially responsible investing. To initiate the transfer, click on the Transfer Funds button and select the type of account you want to transfer from. Enter the required account information and follow the prompts to complete the transfer request. You will need to verify the transfer details and authorize Wealthfront to initiate the transfer. The transfer process typically takes several days to complete, depending on the type of account and the processing time of the sending institution. You can track the status of your transfer online or through the Wealthfront mobile app. It is essential to consider the potential tax implications of transferring your portfolio, particularly if you are transferring a taxable account. Wealthfront provides tax loss harvesting, which can help minimize tax liabilities. But it is still crucial to understand the tax implications of your transfer. Finally, once your transfer is complete, review your new portfolio to ensure it is aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your portfolio and make informed investment decisions. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, you can successfully transfer to a Wealthfront portfolio and start achieving your investment goals.